Hello, Gifty Babes. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. I am Gifty, the gift to your hair. In today's video, we're going to be doing a start to finish transformation using deep curly K-tip extensions from giftyhair.com. This is 200 grams of deep curly K-tip extensions in 22 inches. Starting off, I assess my client's hair. Looking at her hair, she has thin and sparse areas, mostly in the front and the sides of her hair. So right now I'm going to part out her leave out, making sure that where her finer part of her hair compared to the thicker center part of her hair meets, there is a demarcation line. So if I see a demarcation line from where the thinner parts of her hair and the thicker parts of her hair meets, that's how I section out the hair. Essentially what I'm saying is, if I take the hair in the front, which is the thinner part, and I lay it to the side trying to cover the extensions, I'm going to be looking for the thickest part of her hair to cover that extensions, and that is how I section out the hair. So looking at my section, I did go a little bit further up and only leaving the middle part to add the extensions in, because she does have thin, sparse edges, so you don't want to put the extensions too far down or too far down on the sides if she decides to do a half up, half down, or ponytail or other looks like that. We want to have the seamless full coverage with the install. So we're doing 200 grams of K-Tips Mini Invisible Extensions by Gifty Hair. Check out the description box for the K-tip extensions. We do wholesale for other hairstylists. So if you're looking for the deep curly texture, this is amazing. This texture is so low maintenance. It blends seamlessly, and there is little to no shedding. So if your hair matches our deep curly, check out the description box and get your extensions today. As I proceed with the install, I'm going to section out the hair. Sectioning out the hair, I create straight lines, and within the straight lines, I'm going to pick out the hair and apply the extensions. Giftyhair.com K-tip extensions are made of keratin. So the bonds are quite healthy and safe, very safe to be used on my client's hair. Removal process is very simple. So looking at what I've done, I go ahead and place the bonds in a stacking motion, but within the stacking motion, I add spacing. So if you wanted to do like updos and everything in between, all the hair is going to be covered. As you can see, when I pull the hair up, it is covered, mostly the sides. So I do work my way up, continuing. And once I get like further up into the hair, I start adding a invisible roll without any hair onto the head. As you can see, I went ahead and did an entire roll of the K-tips. Then I went ahead and parted the hair and left an entire roll without K-tips for it to have that seamless, invisible blend. So with the K-tips that I'm using is from giftyhair.com, the deep curly. We use 200 grams, which is about 2 packs of hair, and the lengths are 22. I did go in and cut the hair, so if you're going to get this a specific look, you would have to get it cut and layered, or you can do a 20 and 22, or you can do a 18 and 20, mix the length up to get that layered look without you having to cut the extensions. Either one works perfectly fine. As we proceed through with this, the install lasts you up to 3 to 6 months. You're going to come in most likely at the 3 months mark for you to get some kind of maintenance done, but it's not required because the extensions is supposed to mimic your own hair, but it's giving you that volume and length that you have always wanted. With that being said, you would have to go and treat your hair at home just like you would naturally, but with longer and thicker hair. So that's shampooing your hair. You can go swimming if you want to. You can work out as normal. If you sweat, just go ahead and shampoo, blow out, restyle your hair. So as far as that, you would have to be doing maintenance at home on yourself. But if you're already doing maintenance on your own hair, which is like shampooing your hair, making sure you wrap your hair at night, those things, your hair care routine. If you're already doing that, K-tip extensions is going to be essentially the same thing, but length and volume is added to your hair. So you would have a hair routine. You would need to shampoo your hair. You would need to blow dry your hair. And that's why it's so important to texture mash. It's so important to texture mash. So for my client in this scenario, she's typically going to be wearing her K-tip extensions in the curly state. She doesn't wear her hair blown out or straightened in naturally. She's going to be wearing the curly state. So she knows, as far as that being said, is shampooing the hair with a moisturizing shampoo is going to be very beneficial. Making sure she has a leave-in conditioner for curl definition, or just moisturizing the hair, adding a light oil would be very beneficial for the hair. So that is what I mean by maintenance and care for the extensions after leaving the salon. Install typically takes me anywhere from 8 to 15 hours. We're doing individual transformation from start to finish, taking my clients from sparse, short hair to long volume, full coverage hair. So this is a task that takes time, especially if you're getting very thick volume into the hair. She has our standard package, which is the 200 grams, and then she added the invisible K-tips. We selected 22 for the length, and the texture came out to be the deep curly. So click the description box, and then click the link, which will give you our booking page, and you can check out all the options that we have as far as our K-tip services. Different prices will be listed. Also check out the website for the deep curly K-tip hair. Other stylists, if you're looking for high quality K-tip extensions to offer your clients, check out giftyhair.com. We have our deep curly, which is the one that I'm showing you right now, and the tight curly has been a fan favorite, like very popular. So definitely check out giftyhair.com for your K-tip extensions. The best part about our K-tip extensions is we source textured hair for women of color. We're sourcing out hair texture that is going to match your hair. You don't have to worry about sitting there burning your hair and all this other stuff. We have texture that mimics your hair, and that is the key thing now when it comes to extensions these days. I'm so happy that we are opening and giving ranges for textures when it comes to women of colors, because we deserve it, and we need hair that is going to look like ours, feel like ours, and just give that seamless, beautiful enhancement. Okay, so as I'm proceeding through the actual install, it's simple. I'm pretty much doing the same thing over and over. I go ahead and pick out the section, and I'm going to density match. Density match is so important when it comes to doing any form of extensions, especially micro invisible K-tips. I have to density match. I'm matching the density of the extension to her own hair. I can go and give my client hair that she does not have. I'm going to enhance you, but I'm not giving you hair that you don't have. So 200 grams is perfect for her density. She naturally has fine, sparse hair, and I made sure to give her enough space for coverage. If she wants to flip it to the right, flip it to the left, flip it any kind of way she wants to, you have that option. With these extensions, again, they last you up to 3 to 6 months. You're probably going to come see me twice the entire year. Maintenance at home would be how you would treat your own hair, which is shampoo, condition. You can go swimming with these extensions in. You can work out. You have full versatility with K-tip extensions. They are super natural. And the best part, let me tell you the best part, they are lightweight. lightweight. And styling with the deep curly water leave-in conditioner, that's all you need. I added some water, leave-in conditioner, and I'm using my detangling brush, and look how beautiful the texture match, the density blend, everything is flawless. Giftyhair.com deep curly. If this is looking like your hair, click the link and get your K-tip extensions right now. We are wearing 22 inches, 200 grams, which is 2 packs of K-tip extensions from giftyhair.com. And we did a beautiful, flawless install. My client loves her hair. I love her hair. Everything looks gorgeous. And as far, like I said, for this texture, really what you need is water, some leave-in conditioner, and your detangling brush. That is it. Our hair extensions are very low maintenance to take care of. It does not shed. We do source our hair from Vietnam, so you're getting high quality hair extensions from giftyhair.com.
Oh, Gifty, I love. Full access, everything. Yeah. Oh, that's stunning. Check it out. This is you, girl. It feels so good. Oh my God. Who is that girl? You. Girl.
After several hours, this is the final look. This is how the hair looks when it's wet, and I'm going to show you how it looks in the dry state, giving you the full range of motion on these extensions. She can lift it up. Again, she has sparse and thin sides, but that was no problem for Gifty. I placed the extensions in the proper way so that she can have full range of middle part, side part, half up, half down. The hair is so light, and boom, look at that. Once dried, look how voluminous, look how beautiful, look how seductive. This hair is beautiful. Oh my God. I love it. K-tip extensions from giftyhair.com deep curly. Book your appointment and book your transformation with me. I am a hair extension specialist, and I am here to give you your dream hair. I will see you next Friday at 9 p.m. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. This transformation was a start to finish K-tip extensions from giftyhair.com.